igihe twatanguye twavuze ngo iyo umuntu yihanye akabatizwa abavutse ubwa kabiri.
That is why at the beginning we say when a person has repented and they've been born again.
Ico gikorwa no kumva ijambo ry'Imana.
That work is done by serving God.
Nta kindi gishobora kubikora.
Nothing else can do this.
Biciye mu b'Imana yahamagaye.
Going through what those God has
Canke nawe
called.
ukabyisomera.
Or you read it yourself.
Iyo wumvise ijambo ukaryizera.
Once you hear a word and you believe it,
bituma ukizwa.
it causes you to be saved, to
Ukakira
receive
Yesu
salvation.
Kristo nk'umwami n'umukiza wawe.
And you receive Jesus as your
None iyo
life and King.
ukijijwe,
And once you have been born,
utangira kugira muri uko kwizera.
once you have been saved, you start having that faith.
Uko umara igihe uri imbere y'Imana wegera Imana.
And as you continue to be before God every day,
Niko ubushobozi bwayo burushita kuba muri wewe.
that is when the power of God continues to be in you as well.
Noneho kamera y'Imana ikarushita kuza muri wewe.
And things that God, the way God will walk will also be the